Hello everybody, my name is Alexandru Gaibu. I am from Republic of Moldova. I am a teacher of English language in this school from Borchag village. So the school from Borchag village was established in 1972. From that time, the school has not been repaired at all. As you see, this is a laboratory of chemistry, and when it rains, the water powers the walls. The problem is that the school roof is damaged. So I ask you to be very kind and help us to fix the problem of school roof damaged. I ask you all to visit my link on GoFundMe and donate for school roof renovation in Borchag village. Yours truly, Alexandru Gaibu.